Did you know which are the top 3 desserts in the world? Let's find out. Number 3 is Macaron. This dessert is perhaps among the most popular in France and beyond. Mainly composed of marrying almond flour and sugar, these biscuits can be stuffed with any filling, cream or jam. Number 2 is Cheesecake. This dessert is made up of many layers of filo dough that are buttered and sprinkled with walnut or pistachios. The layers are then put into the baking pan and baked in the oven, and when ready, it is sprinkled with sugar water and lemon juice or honey and spices with rose water. And on top is Tiramisu. It is perhaps one of the most famous Italian desserts in the world. It is pretty easy to make and does not require great culinary skills. With a few ingredients, you can get a really good result that will please everyone. The base is made with the ladyfinger biscuit, which are soaked in coffee and then arranged in layers in a baking pan covered with cream and eggs and a sprinkling of cocoa powder. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. See you tomorrow.